Hey, what's going on, everybody? Dennis here, EDC for Fun. Thanks for checking out the video. Just a quick comment. Last video I posted, I kind of lamented at how long it had been since I posted a video citing work and everything being crazy. And then I ended up getting the super sniffles, so I'm just like, what the hell? But anywho, on the mend now, and happy to bring this video to you guys. This is going to be looking at the CH Knives spear, and let's go ahead and open this up. This is not an unboxing, this is more of a review. I've already had this for I think a couple months now, been carrying it, been using it. You can see here's the little pamphlet it comes with. Oh, wouldn't you know, a Chinese company that makes a ton of knives. They all look, you know, pretty interesting, but that's not what we're here for. So, for whatever it's worth, that's the box it comes in. Get out of the way. Let's go show side. All right, so we've got titanium with titanium inlays, S35 VN blade. You can see it is on the larger side. At some point, I'll roll in some specs, a screenshot or something. We've got a frame lock, flipper, almost guillotine shut. Definitely drops freely. Action is very nice. It's on bearings. It's got internal stops. It's a little dirty. You can see I've been using it. We've got some jimping up here, and the finger choil. So this thing, it looks really nice, but it also feels really nice. The ergos on this are super good. This thing is just made to work. With this blade shape, you can absolutely do a variety of different cuts. You can even pierce with this thing. The flipper tab's really high. Fires out reliably. You do have to light switch it. There is no push button. That's the only way. Got some jimping on there. Nothing crazy. Got titanium back spacer. The jimping on the back spacer, as well as on the thumb ramp and the finger choil, is not aggressive. It's enough to give you a little texture. Nothing uncomfortable. And you can see it just melts right into my hand. You can see the inlays are skeletonized, so it goes right through. I might in the future get like a slab of like Taro Tough or something and make my own inlay just to swap it out and change it up. The pocket clip on this guy is really nice. Got a milled clip. It is right hand tip up only, which is the only way I carry anyway, so that's fine for me. But it comes in and out of the pocket really easily. Carries adequately deep, especially for a larger knife. Speaking of the size, just do a couple comparisons here. Next to the PM2 and the Para 3. So yeah, you can definitely see it's a long knife. It's just under 9 inches. The weight's just under 5 ounces. But it's very well balanced. Really fun to cut with. You got a steel lock bar insert there, which is on a T6, clips on a T6, everything else. Oh no, wait, there's one more T6 over here for one of the inlays. And then everything else is T8. I really like the blue and the ano. I kind of wish they carried it up a lot higher. You can see it goes from like blue down at the bottom to like gold with less blue, less purple. Not sure what happened up here, like the ano didn't really carry through all the way. You see how this looks down here? I love the way that looks. Wish the whole thing was like that, but it is what it is. That blade just looks mean. Looks like an angry bird or something. You say spider codes look like a bird or whatever. This thing's just got some attitude. S35VN. It is bead blasted. I like stonewash better, but I don't mind bead blasted either. It's just, I think it looks good. It matches the titanium. Take a look at those back spacers. There's not a bad way to hold this thing either. Like you can see I'm down here on the handle, and I've even got a thumb ramp here. I've got a choil in here. If I need to, I can choke up. I can bear down like that. So that is pretty much it, guys. Just wanted to share that with you. And I thank you for watching. Have a great day. See you.